Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to enable your microphone in Amazon app. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to click on the Amazon app and then click on the profile icon at the bottom and then click on the setting icon next to your name. Click on permissions under app settings. So as you can see, the microphone is currently disabled. What you want to do is you want to click on it and you want to enable it. So it will ask you to allow microphone access. You need to go to settings and then click on microphone and then go back to the app. Go back to that same settings and then scroll down to find microphone. And then what you want to do is you want to turn this on for all of the features. So basically microphone is very helpful because instead of having to type, you can talk to the Amazon and then getting the product that you want to. And that is how you can enable the microphone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.